How to start chemistry from scratch. Before starting the lecture, click on the subscribe button and get access to our unique lectures for free. If you want to be successful in winning chemistry, you need to get a listen. Let's get started. Key lessons on how to study chemistry. The fundamentals of chemistry can be learned online, because topics in chemistry build upon one another. They should be studied in a logical order. Jumping into the middle of the science can lead to confusion. Even if it's okay to learn chemistry concepts online, be aware that the lab component is an important part of the science. Chemistry is one of those classes you either love or dread. Chemistry is typically not a required course in high school. Rather, it is an elective. However, all undergraduate students must complete at least one chemistry course in order to graduate from the majority of respectable universities. If you intend to work in the fields of medicine, engineering, or natural sciences, then you'll probably need to take at least one chemistry course to get your degree. Most people find chemistry to be difficult, but it doesn't have to be. People most frequently struggle with chemistry because they don't approach it correctly. We'll look at tried and true methods and strategies that, if used, will help you understand and study chemistry. The periodic table is a system for grouping elements according to their shared characteristics, an application to make studying chemistry more simpler. Hence, chemistry can be defined as the study of matter and the changes it undergoes. You may occasionally hear it referred to as central science because it is the connection between physics and all the other sciences, starting with biology. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and click the notification bell